Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the rear sliding power window relays are located. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll need to just work on one of them that's under the hood, known as engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. So if we zoom in, this is your car battery, and right behind it, that's the fuse box here. You open that cover, and once you open the cover, you're going to see, guys, fuses and relays that look just like that one. Now, this is the front of your F-150, this is towards the windshield side. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, you will notice that you will have specific really hard to find fuses and relays on your Ford truck that could be really hard to find, overpriced, expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience. So if we come on the very top of the fuse box and we come in that relay panel right here, guys, if you look at those two relays, those are for the rear sliding power window. These guys right here, okay, on the right side is for the open function, this is for the close function. So if your rear sliding power window doesn't work, check these relays. You have two fuses that you need to check as well. We have the video on the channel. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.